For me, it was a seamless join, a natural fit. Part of that's probably to do with the company culture more than anything.
I really enjoy the fact that we have a lot of people to talk to, different backgrounds, not just like ethnicity or countries, but also we got people that do sales, people that do production. But we all came together to the same place to work together and to make things for BlueScope.
I grew up knowing that BlueScope was the best place to get a trade. They had a really strong focus on safety, and it was kind of the only option in my eyes for where I'd want to start my new career. It's cool to be working with such big equipment and to be part of heavy industry.
Of course, being in BlueScope, we are very focused about our safety.
It's not a common job for women to have, is it? So the minute you say crane operator, people are like, what? Where did that come from? Glad that this place offered me a chance to do that. It was scary at first, trust me, but absolutely loved it.
Having somebody in the field, in Colorbond, talking it, and to the people who specify it, that's really what I do. So I guess I'm pretty lucky in being able to talk about something that I know and that I love so much.
My team spans all ages, all cultures, all different ways of thinking.
It's a lot more challenging here. There's more day-to-day stuff that you learn. It's such a big corporation. There's different avenues you can go down. Everybody's really friendly. Everybody was happy to teach you. You all work together.
The best part about working here is the people. Hands down by a long shot. Everyone from the crews that we have, absolutely phenomenal people. I love working with everyone. We have a fantastic support staff with our supervisors and even our management staff. And they're nice, they're approachable, they can fix any problems that we have.
We can get some fantastic new customers every day. I'm very driven by seeing customers' plans and expectations come to life.
Step in and see how you go. You could find a whole different career that you really love with a work-life balance that makes you happy.
It's cliche, but you do learn something every day, something new every day.